The year 2025 is fast approaching, and with it, new financial uncertainties. The stock market, it's volatile. Interest rates, unpredictable. And the value of the dollar, you don't need me to tell you, it's weakening. But here's the real question for you. What are you doing to protect your hard-earned wealth, especially when you're in the group that has the most to lose, the ultra-wealthy? Now, you might be wondering, why should I worry? I've got my assets diversified, my portfolio's solid. But with the way the economy's been heading lately, we've seen things change overnight. Banks failing, inflation skyrocketing, even the wealthiest retirees are starting to rethink their plans. Consider the case of John Michaels from Scottsdale, Arizona. At 67, John had amassed a retirement savings of $1.2 million through his years of running a successful real estate business. But with recent market turbulence and rising concerns about a potential recession, John started wondering, is my nest egg safe? Could the next crash wipe out my retirement? It wasn't until John took a step back and looked at the bigger picture that he realized traditional retirement accounts, stocks, bonds, and even cash might not be the safe haven they once were. He wanted something more stable, something with a proven track record through economic ups and downs. That's when he turned to gold IRAs. Gold has always been seen as a hedge against uncertainty, a store of value in times of crisis. But in 2025, it's more relevant than ever. Why? Because gold tends to hold its value when inflation rises and the economy falters. If you're holding on to large retirement assets, you need to be thinking about diversification that includes physical assets. Gold's not just a metal, it's a strategy. Now, I know you're probably thinking, but isn't gold risky too? Let's set the record straight. Unlike the stock market, gold doesn't fluctuate wildly in response to daily news headlines. It's a long-term store of value, and it's backed by thousands of years of history. When markets go down, gold often goes up. It's been a reliable safeguard through wars, depressions, and financial meltdowns. For ultra-wealthy retirees like you, this means having a portion of your retirement savings in a gold IRA could protect you from market volatility and inflation. And it's not just about preserving wealth. It's about growing it in the right way, even in uncertain times. Let's take a look at Mary, a retired executive from Chicago. Mary had $800,000 in her IRA, all invested in stocks and bonds. Over the past 2 years, those investments had underperformed, and the market was starting to show signs of another dip. Mary felt uneasy, knowing that a single crash could drastically reduce her retirement savings. She made the decision to roll over a portion of her IRA into gold, about $350,000. Fast forward 6 months, and that investment had gained over 10% as the value of gold soared, while the rest of her portfolio remained stagnant. It's not just about avoiding loss. It's about securing your wealth for the long term. Gold IRAs give you the ability to diversify, hedge against inflation, and protect your retirement savings from the instability of the market. So, if you're an ultra-wealthy retiree, it's time to ask yourself, am I doing everything I can to protect my assets? If you're not looking into gold IRAs, you might be missing out on a strategy that could be crucial to your financial future. That's why I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide, packed with all the information you need to make an educated decision. And if you've got over $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, I'm also offering a no-obligation educational call to help you understand how a gold IRA can fit into your retirement plan. There's no pressure here, just a one-on-one conversation to see if it's right for you. No gimmicks, no sales tactics, just pure education. You've worked hard to get to where you are, and it's time to make sure your wealth is protected for the next generation. Remember, this is your future. It's time to take action, secure your wealth, and ensure that your retirement lasts. Get your free gold IRA guide now, and let's talk about how this smart move can help you navigate 2025 and beyond.